Okay, so now let's look at how we can make charts from pivot tables. Now, we have a pivot table that is showing uh, the product against income, and here you have the region against income. So to make charts from these two pivot tables, you can select this pivot table and go to pivot analyze. On pivot analyze, you can choose pivot chart. Here on pivot chart, then you choose what kind of chart you want to make. So here I want to make a chart on. Okay, let me choose a bar chart. I want to choose this bar chart, and then I'll click OK. That is going to give me this bar chart of product against income. So this chart, if you look at it, it's not it does not really look good. We need to make some changes to it. So to make some changes to this chart, I'm selecting this chart and I'll go to pivot analyze. First of all, I want to remove these field patterns. We have some of income here and product. So I'll remove here by going to field patterns and click this one. I also want to remove this total. So I'll just select it and click delete on the keyboard. Now I want to change the font size of the things which are here. So select it and go to home, and I want to change the font size to 11. I think that's better, but you can see that the numbers here are very clustered. So I'll change the height of it here so that the numbers should not be more clustered. And now I want to change the width of these bars. So I'll double click one of them. Okay, when once we double click one of them, all of them are selected. You can see that all of them are selected, and then here you have the gap width. So let's reduce the gap width to around 50%. Let's reduce it to around 50%. So you can see that once you reduce the gap width, this is going to increase the width of your bars. Okay, so I'll select it and I want to change the font color. So this is red and we'll go to automatic. So you can see that it's now black. So this is how you can format a pivot chart. So you can select it and go to design. On design, you go to add chart element. On chart element, I want to add some axis titles. So add like an axis title, the primary variable. So the primary variable here is going to talk of the product. So these are the products that we are selling. And on the axis titles also, you can use this plus button, you plus button, and here you're having these axis titles. You have primary horizontal and primary variable. So I want to choose primary horizontal here. This is the income from our products. This one you can edit it. This is total. You can just say total income per product. So total income per product. Okay, so that's this. Now this chart you can copy it. You can right click and copy it and put it in a different worksheet so that it looks good this side, because we can't just leave it clustered there. Okay, so this is the chart which you have created from there. Now if I change any data here, it is going to change the data on the pivot, and it is also going to change my chart here. So you can see that the chart is linked to the pivot tables and the pivot table is linked to the data. So let me call this pivot, chart. Okay, this sheet should be called chart, and I can delete this one here because I've already covered it on the other side. So that's the chart. Next, we are going to look at how we can link two charts using pivot tables.